Everyone loves to hear a compliment. When it comes to giving a compliment, whether to a boy or a girl, make sure it is appropriate. In this video, we'll come to know what are the compliments that can be given to a boy and a girl. Welcome to my channel, English World. I'm Dipshika, an English trainer. First of all, make sure what you're complimenting at. Whether you're complimenting at look, at personality or accomplishment. And the person to whom you're complimenting must appreciate you for it. And no need to write a big poem or a long statement in compliment or appreciation. Strike a simple adjective. A single word said in a very expressive manner can create wonders. As usual, ladies first. So we'll first begin with the compliments that can be used for a girl or a woman. A very sophisticated word, classy. When a woman is sitting in a very good posture, back straight and head up, maintaining her complete elegance, you can say her, classy. Ravishing actually means exceptional beauty. When you have to say in a very good expressive manner, you look ravishing. It actually means I have no words to compliment you. That is beyond. If you find a girl or a woman carrying her attire very gracefully, either it is sari, suit, formal or informal, you can compliment her very elegant. A girl or a woman wearing a very glamorous clothes and she indicates to create a striking impression, it's best to compliment her as, you are dressed to kill. If you find a girl who is very naive and docile and she has a completely, Indian beauty, you can say her, you are looking a delicate doll or looking a delicate darling. Pretty is a word that works in all occasions. And you can basically give this compliment to a woman or a girl at any occasion, any situation, in any attire, whether informal, Indian or Western. Because this actually goes more on a face. Pretty face. If you need to draw a ear of your friend and you have to fish her a compliment, you can say her, what's special today? Aaj kya khas hai? If she has dressed something different that she does not wear every day. If a girl or a woman moves all around you throughout the event or any situation, you can draw her ears by saying, are you fishing for a compliment? When you have to exaggerate your sense of expression and you have to say you are looking mind-blowing, gorgeous, ravishing, stunning, it's best to say you are looking drop dead beautiful or drop dead gorgeous. That gives a full stop to all the compliment and it means world to you. Now this is especially for girls. If you get this type of compliments and you have to say thank you, you can say, I am flattered or your compliments have made my day. Thank you. Now compliments for boys. Now boys have very less compliment and they are okay with whatever you say them. You are looking nice, you're looking good. If you even say this word in a very impressive manner as, you're looking good, for them it means a lot. Still I have fetched some compliment for boys. Smart and handsome. Very common words that works for boys in all the situation and they are happy with it. Another word that you can give in place of it or replace it is dashing. When you find the boy or a man in a very bold manner, very fashion forward outfits, fashionista, you can say you look dashing. Another compliment for boy is debonair. This is little old-fashioned compliment used to be 19th and 20th when the man used to wear tie, suit and this was basically done to impress a woman. But even you can use in this time, like you can say, you look debonair. And you have to say in a very expressive manner so that the boys, they feel something, unique in their expression. Debonair. Charming is a word that works for both boys and girls, especially at the teenagers. This is the best time to, appreciate them or compliment them with this word. Otherwise, it works in all age. Sophisticate can also be used, something like cosmopolitan, something, very high fashion looks. Boys become happy on this compliment. You can simply say them awesome and they feel that it's the best compliment for them. When you have to say a person that you are looking little, thul type, then you have to say that you are looking flabby, or you have to go on a complete negative remark that you are looking, in Hindi you say bhadde dikh rahe ho, then you can say sabby. But I don't know what is going to happen the next moment after that. Person has very cute and bhara sa face, then you can say bony and chubby face. Clumsy is the word that I have seen sometimes people using it, especially in Hindi it means anari. If you have to say a person that थोड़े से मोटे लग रहे हो, हल्का मोटा, then you can say little podgy. और अगर आपको मिला है कोई दुबला पतला सा एकदम skeleton, you can say lean and lanky. With this we come to the end of the video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. We'll meet again very soon within this week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.